What you are about to witness is not just construction. It's the revival of a nearly forgotten way of life. One woman, armed with ancestral knowledge, is about to reveal the secret to true independence. Pay attention, every frame unveils a part of the code. The journey begins where it must, with the raw earth. Each piece of timber is carefully chosen, shaped not by machines, but by human hands. This is a dialogue between the builder and the wood. A slow, deliberate process of revealing its purpose. With every shaving, the vision becomes clearer. The forest provides the material, and she provides the will to transform it. Patience is the most essential tool here. The work is repetitive, almost meditative. Each strike of the mallet is precise, intentional. An ancient art of joinery passed through generations. Slowly, the pieces of the puzzle are formed. Each one is unique, yet part of a greater whole. The next phase requires a different element. Before building up, she must first build down. Measurement is critical. There is no room for error. The plan exists not on paper, but in her mind. The pieces come together, forming a frame. This small box is more than just wood. It is a mold. A vessel designed to give shape to the earth itself. From the ground, she will create the foundation stones. A mixture of earth, sand, and stone, transformed into solid rock. Once hardened, the wooden shell is removed, revealing the cornerstones of her new creation. Now, the real structure can begin to rise. Larger beams are prepared with the same precision. The framework of a home starts to take shape. Each connection is secured with traditional methods. The rhythm of the saw is the heartbeat of the project. The skeleton of the house grows piece by piece. It is a testament to perseverance and singular vision. As the sun arcs across the sky, the work continues. Finally, the last pieces of the frame are set. The next stage requires a new level of strength. Here, ancient joinery techniques are put to the test. Inside the growing structure, a partner lends his skill. The weight of the beams is immense, demanding focus. Modern tools are used, but the spirit is timeless. The hum of the drill meets the whisper of the hands, crafting the joints that will hold the house together. Every notch and peg must fit perfectly. The structure rises from the forest floor. This is more than a building. It's an extension of the woods. The beauty lies in the flawless execution of the joints. A symbol of strength and interconnectedness. Slowly, carefully, the pieces are interlocked. The heavy timbers are guided into place. A delicate dance of balance and power. One by one, the walls begin to form. The house is breathing, taking on a life of its own. The interlocking frame is a work of art. It stands as a testament to the design. Soon it will provide shelter and sanctuary. The final pieces of the frame are secured with force. The wooden mallet drives the joints home. As the structure grows, so does the ambition. The collaboration makes the impossible possible. But even the most careful plans can face disaster. A moment of struggle, a test of will. And then, setback. The frame collapses. Failure is not an end, but a lesson. So she returns to the very beginning, the foundation. Digging deeper, ensuring the base is unshakable. With renewed determination, the work resumes. The posts are reset, this time with greater wisdom. From the ruins of failure, success is rebuilt. The frame rises once more, stronger than before. She inspects the work, learning from the past. Every joint is now doubly secured. The experience has forged an unbreakable resolve. And now, a new home stands proudly against the sky. A symbol of resilience and triumph over adversity. There's a quiet harmony between the built and the natural. But the work is not over. The structure must expand. The next challenge is to build higher, to reach for the sky. A partner returns, his strength needed for the ascent. Using leverage and ingenuity to lift heavy loads. From above, the geometry of the roof is revealed. She works from within the frame, raising the rafters. A complex system of interlocking beams. He works on the exterior, securing the structure. The raw wood is shaped and smoothed for a perfect fit. She moves with confidence among the high beams. Slowly, the roofline begins to emerge from the frame. Their combined efforts create something magnificent. A shelter built with skill, sweat, and synergy. The near-complete roof stands as a monument to their work. Now for the intricate work of the outer layers. She moves across the roof with practiced ease. Each small piece is vital for the integrity of the whole. The house now has its crown. A stunning example of traditional craftsmanship. The final touches are applied with care. The wooden frame is complete, strong, and beautiful. But a house is not a home without its skin. The final element must come directly from the living forest. The finished frame awaits its protective covering. a moment of pride, surveying the work done. The lattice of the roof is a beautiful, complex pattern. Each nail is driven with purpose, securing the future. Efficiency and precision in every action. The structure is solid, ready for the final layer. The completed framework is a victory in itself. She inspects her creation, ensuring all is perfect. A brief rest before the final, arduous task. The last wooden slats are laid into place. The structure is complete. Now it must be Again, she turns to the forest for the solution. To truly seal the shelter, she must journey deep into the wild. Here, she will harvest the materials for a living roof. She is searching for a specific type of palm frond, one known for its durability and water resistance. With a sharp blade, she gathers what is needed. The bounty of the forest is carried back. The green leaves are prepared for each frond is separated and sorted with care. Now begins the ancient art of weaving a roof from leaves. Layer upon layer, the thatch is applied. The fresh leaves will dry and shrink, forming a tight seal. From below, the pattern of the weave is visible. It is a dangerous and delicate task, requiring balance. The green roof begins to cover the wooden skeleton. The house is becoming one with its surroundings. The skillful hands work quickly, expertly. A shelter not just built in nature, but from nature itself.